long does drug recovery take? People who want to stop using substances and enter a period of recovery are always curious about how long it will take them to heal. Addiction recovery is a difficult path to take, and it can take time, sometimes a very long time. To figure out how long it will take you to recover from drug addiction, you must first figure out how long it will take you to detox and which treatment program you will attend. Rehab can span anywhere from a few days to over a year, depending on the individual's needs and recovery process. Drug addiction, like other chronic diseases, usually necessitates lifetime treatment. An addict may relapse after a period of abstinence from drugs, which means they begin using again. When someone relapses, they will require additional or different treatment to stop taking drugs. If you want to become clean, don't worry about how long it takes. The most important thing to remember is that you're striving toward a sober lifestyle. Give us a call right now if you or someone you know could benefit from detox, inpatient, residential, or outpatient treatment. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.